If there is one big habit that almost all successful people have in common, then that is meditation. Today I will teach you a simple 3-step process to meditate if you're a beginner. You need only 5 minutes, and once you start meditating every day, it will change your life. So let's begin. Step number 1, find a quiet place. The quiet place can be anywhere. Inside your house, outside your house, it can be on the terrace, in the garden. The place doesn't matter. What matters is that it should be quiet. I prefer to meditate early in the morning, but the time also does not matter. You can meditate anytime. Don't worry, there's no perfect place, no perfect time to meditate. All you need is to find a little quiet corner and 5 minutes of time. And let's go to step number 2. Step number 2, find something to focus on. I used to think that you have to remove all the thoughts from your mind. And the more I tried that, the more I would think of my entire to-do list when I sat down. Instead, what we need to find is something to focus on, because the mind can't be blank. Usually, most people will tell you to observe your breath. If that works for you, nice. Just breathe normally and count your breath. Observe the flow. Mere liye this did not work. When I started observing my breath, I just got so worked up. I started breathing very heavily, and then I'm just not able to calm down. If you also face the same problem, don't worry. I will give you another simple technique. Sit down with your eyes closed. Take a deep breath and listen to the sounds. This works beautifully. Just focus on the sounds you hear. I can hear a pigeon, cook, 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 leaves of trees rustling, shh, a baby crying far away, the wind blowing, a car horn in the distance, prayer chants from a temple far away. Notice the sounds and start counting them. Slowly your mind starts switching off and you're only focused on the sounds. Water flowing nearby. Your stomach is gurgling. Someone is talking. How many sounds did you count today? Try going up to 5. Don't get into the story of the sound. Who was talking to whom and why did that, big bartan fall in the kitchen? Don't get your mind involved in any stories. Just listen to the sound and look for the next sound. This will instantly relax you. You only need 3 minutes to do this meditation, and it will keep you calm the entire day. Step number 3, loving kindness meditation. In the last 2 minutes, we will keep our eyes closed and say these lines to ourselves. I am perfect. I am awesome. Yesterday, I was hurt by someone, but I will not get pulled into that drama. I am a loving person. I am love. I have worked very hard in my life and I will succeed in all my efforts. I am well prepared for my exam or interview and everything will go well. I am a caring and loving person. I will not get involved in any drama today. I will only stay focused on my goals. I am a loving and kind person. I am perfect just the way I am. I have learned a lot and I continue to learn every day. I am a special creation of the universe. I can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible for me. Today I will remain focused on my goal and be very kind to myself. I'm not competing with anyone else. I am unique and special. I have everything inside me. I don't need anyone outside to give me any love, encouragement or support. I am the entire universe inside this body. I am a peaceful person. I am peace. I am love. Sankalp se siddhi hai, sankalp se srishti hai. Now open your eyes whenever you want to and slowly get up. Notice how peaceful you're feeling. Observe the calmness. You can meditate as many times a day as you want, and all you need is 5 minutes and 3 simple steps. You can save this video and use this to meditate also. And may you always be calm, peaceful, and a loving soul. God bless.